Kazwai Pastor Madzorera.
Kazwai kuda, how are you?
I'm good, munofare.
No, ndirimpe.
Nhasi ndatoya nemumwe mubvunzo wakasiyana wamakajaira kundinzwa ndichibvunza.
Alright.
Mubvunzo wangu ndewe Trinity.
Okay.
And one, Trinity tina patinoriwana izwi racho muBhaibheri.
Sure.
Chinobva chazopedzisira chandipa mubvunzo wekuti saka kana pachiuriswa kunzi Mwari Mwanakomana, Mwari Mweya Mutsvene, Mwari Baba, vari utatu vari umwe chete. I would like to believe kuti handisiri ndega ndine confusion iyoyo, ende zvobva zvatozonipa mubvunzo kuti saka Mwari Mweya Mutsvene ndiMwari here uye Mwanakomana Jesu Kristu ndiMwari here.
Okay. All right. I'll try to be as direct as can be possible. It's a very broad topic which has caused controversy over the years, and Mazwan is also very topical. You should go tendera from WhatsApp and so forth. But ndrango ndiverenge mavesi and of are clear cut in pointing out, is it true Jesus is God? Is it true the Holy Spirit is God? Let me start now. Acts. It's one of my favorite texts each time I deal with this thing. Acts chapter 20, verse 28. Acts 20 verse 20. Don't you tell language iripa papo. You know iyo. Verse 28 says, therefore take heed to yourselves and to all the flock among which the Holy Spirit has made you overseers. All right. To shepherd the church of God, which he purchased with his own blood. Take care of the church of
God,
which he purchased with his own
blood.
Who shed his blood?
Jesus.
In the God. Take care of the church of God, which he purchased with his own blood. And if Jesus is not God, then you'll have a serious problem with this text. Because the apostle is saying, take care of the church of God, which he purchased with his own blood. So Paul has no problem. And let me read to you another text. 1 Timothy chapter 3, verse 16. 1 Timothy chapter 3, verse 16. And without controversy. Without controversy, great is the mystery of godliness.
All right.
It's a mystery.
All right.
Now we can explain God.
All right.
It's a mystery. Great is the mystery of godliness. A colon of the mystery. God was manifested in the flesh.
All right.
God was manifested in the flesh. He was justified in the spirit. He was seen by angels. He was preached among the Gentiles. Right. He was believed on in the world, and he was received up in glory. God. I thought about Jesus. God was manifest in flesh. God came in the flesh. And the God coming in the flesh, John chapter 1. In the beginning was the word, that's verse 1. And the word was with God. And the word was God, verse 14. And the word became flesh and dwelt amongst us. Now, in the beginning was the word, and the word was with God, and the word was God.
The word was God, all right.
In Greek, kai theos en hologos.
All right.
Kai theos en hologos, and the word, they translated, and the word was God. But directly in Greek, it's kai theos en hologos, and God was the word.
All right.
They've actually rearranged the wording in the original language.
Right.
Instead of kai theos en o logos, but kai o logos en o theos, and it
right.
brings a totally different meaning
altogether.
But in the original Greek Bible, it's kai theos en ho logos, which means God was the word. What God is, the word was. You see, Isaiah chapter 9, verse 5 and 6. Isaiah chapter 9, even Old Testament spoke also about these things. For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government will be upon his shoulder, and his name will be called Wonderful, Counselor, Mighty God,
right.
Everlasting Father, Prince of
Mighty
Peace,
God, right.
Mighty God.
So Jesus is God.
Jesus is God.
All right.
And then the Holy Spirit, let me just read one text, maybe, which also quickly comes to mind. Acts chapter 5. Peter is talking to Ananias and Sapphira and what they had done. But Peter said, verse 3, Ananias, why has Satan filled your heart to lie to the Holy Spirit and keep back part of the price of the land for yourself? While it remained, was it not your own? And after it was sold, was it not in your own control? Why have you conceived this thing in your heart? You have not lied to men, but to God.
All right.
Ananias,
So the Holy Spirit is also
God.
God.
You have lied to the Holy Spirit. Why have you lied? You have not lied to men, but you have lied to God. So if you lie to the Holy Spirit, you have lied to God.
All right.
Saka zvokuzoti trinity zvinogona kushaikwa word racho, but mavhesi anotaura kuti Jesus is God.
Aripo. Hey, maita basa pastor.
Thank you very much.
Ndabatsirikana.
You're welcome.
Munozoti haiperi.
No, please feel free to come.
Tichitaura.
All right.
Thank you. Okay.